What if I told you there's a brand new method to make viral motivational shorts without risking your channel getting demonetized? In this video, I'm going to reveal a strategy that uses AI to create powerful motivational shorts that not only get millions of views, but also get you monetized. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start earning with YouTube Shorts and avoid the mistakes that could get your channel shut down. A lot of people are making motivational shorts clip channels, but here's the catch. Most of them won't make any money, and if they do, YouTube might shut them down fast. I know this because I've seen it with so many channels, millions of views in just 90 days, but they just can't get into the YouTube Partner Program. Why? YouTube reject them because the content are just reused clips, which don't allow for shorts monetization. Now, you might see some big YouTubers making money with similar content, but here's the deal. They spend hours on advanced editing with tools like Adobe Premiere and After Effects. But what if I told you there's a simpler way? A way to create motivational shorts that can get millions of views without all that complicated editing. This is a new method that very few creators know about, and today I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Instead of using the usual reused motivational clips, this strategy uses AI to create cool, unique stories that trick YouTube's algorithm into seeing the content as original. Let me give you an example. One channel gained 170,000 followers in just 12 months, with one video hitting over 900,000 views and another getting 700,000 just last month. The secret? Taking motivational speeches and turning them into unique stories using AI, which makes them go viral. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts. This will help you create fresh scripts for your motivational shorts. Instead of spending hours searching for motivational videos, I've got a prompt that will save you time. I will have the exact prompt I use to generate new ideas in the description below, and boom, you have a new story ready for your video. Step 2. Create voiceovers with Elevenlabs, a text-to-speech tool that generates high-quality voiceovers. For motivational shorts, I recommend voices like Adam or Marcus for that deep, inspirational tone. Upload your script, choose the voice you like, and you're good to go. It's that easy. Step 3. Gather cinematic stock footage, and you'll need eye-catching visuals. Stock footage is key to grabbing attention, especially for motivational content. Head to pexels.com and search for visuals like supercars, luxury homes, or exotic vacation spots. These types of clips make people stop and stare, which is exactly what you want for your shorts. Pick 3 to 5 clips that fit your theme, and make sure they're high quality. Step 4. Edit your short in CapCut. With your voiceover and stock footage ready, it's time to add them into CapCut. First, lay down your voiceover track, then add your clips in a 9:16 aspect ratio, perfect for YouTube Shorts. Each clip should last about 3-5 seconds to keep the pace fast and engaging. Adjust the clips so they fit the screen perfectly. Tweak the angles and set the mood by reducing the saturation and brightness for that moody, motivational vibe. Step 5. Add transitions, effects, and captions. Make sure you use smooth fade-out transitions between clips to give your video a polished flow. CapCut also has cool effects to give each clip its own twist. Don't forget to use CapCut's auto caption feature to add text to your videos. Customize them with templates, colors, fonts, and sizes to make sure they pop. Step 6. Add music for viral success. Music is key to making your video go viral. YouTube's trending tracks are perfect for this. Pick a track that enhances the mood of your video without overpowering it. Just lower the volume so your voiceover stands out. So drop the volume to about -10 to -15. And here's an example of the final video.
Perseverance is the quiet force that drives the extraordinary. It's not about never facing obstacles, it's about refusing to be defeated by them. Each time you stumble, you're given the opportunity to rise stronger. The path to greatness isn't straight or smooth, but with each step, no matter how small, you're getting closer to your goals. Keep pushing forward, even when the road is unclear, for resilience is the key to unlocking your potential.
So there you have it, a brand new way to create viral motivational shorts using AI tools like ChatGPT, Elevenlabs, and CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, check out my last video for more tips on growing your YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one.